Hello, it's John here, and now we're doing diphthongs, vowel sounds. And this is part of pronunciation. So what's going to happen is I'm going to read each of the 8 diphthongs and a word that features the diphthong in it. Okay, so let's go.
Ear,
Here,
a,
train,
oo,
tourist,
oi,
boy,
o,
phone,
air,
hair,
I,
bike,
ow.
owl. Why not hit the like button if you learnt something from this video? Also, what do you want to learn in pronunciation? Maybe leave a comment in the comments box below. You can always share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for further videos on pronunciation and more updates. Thank you, and see you soon.